Hi, I'm Denice Gierach of the 𝐬𝐩𝐞𝐚𝐥 Law Firm. I'm making this video series on the sale of a business. And this first part is about what are your thoughts, your initial considerations that you're going to go into prior to selling your business. The importance of why. Why are you selling your business? Well, most people, sell their businesses without even thinking at the reason why. So what is the importance of your why in looking at selling your business? Most people sell their businesses without even thinking or looking at what their why is. What I mean by that is they may have issues at the office or see their friends selling their businesses, so they think that they should follow suit and sell theirs. However, how many business owners actually stop and examine the reasons that they are going to sell their businesses? I'd say very few. So why is the why important to begin with? There are several reasons that this is a very important consideration. Before you start the process of selling your business, you should think about this. One reason is that if you decide to sell, you may have a successful sale or may want to have a successful sale, meaning that both you and the buyer walk away from this as a win-win transaction. At the end of the transaction, you have left your business with a sense of completeness so that you can move on to that next challenge or that next adventure. Another reason is that you have already identified your next challenge. So with the funds that you have received from the proceeds of the sale, you're able to fund that next great adventure, either buying a new business or another type of adventure. The bottom line is, if you know your why and you're true to it, you will not only have the cash out of the transaction from the sale, but you will have some inner peace about having completed that part of your life, that part of your journey. So what are the reasons that many people sell their businesses? One is, still you watch your friends, selling their businesses and think that you should do the same. To have everything the lifestyle that they have. After all, you're 50 years old or so why shouldn't you have the good life like everyone else does? But nice thought. But what if their good life just bores you to tears? What if the reason that you really feel alive is running a business? So consider you're not a cookie cutter, you're not like every entrepreneur. So if you have issues, you might have issues in your business. You think that, the grass is greener on your friend's side in their businesses, and you think that they don't have these same issues. That's a mistake because they do. So they have those same concerns in their business. And so the reason that many business owners think this way is that, business owners operate in a silo. And so they don't share with other business owners because that's kind of a sign of weakness. So you think everything is hunky-dory with everybody else when it's really not. And that's a reason that many people will sell. A better option for those people would be to work with a business coach to try to solve the problems. Another issue is you have a hard time finding balance in your life, tending to spend most of your time working in your business instead of on it. And you can't seem to find the time to play the golf that you really want to. So you can't find the time to work on your business either. So to resolve this conflict, you conclude that the only answer is to sell your business, and then you can play as much golf as you would like. Another reason is you want to reinvent yourself, but believe the only way that you can do this is to get out of your own business rather than reinvent yourself within the business. Are these great reasons to sell your business? I think you know that the answer is no. So what are good reasons and valid reasons that you should be thinking about in selling your business? One is, what if you have real health issues such that the operation of the business keeps you from really focusing on those getting well and those issues you have. To add to that, you may not have an appropriate exit strategy of what would happen to you if you were not able to operate that business. And it could be on a permanent basis. Another is, in order to scale your business, you require a larger strategic partner who has access to other companies who are in your space. You don't have access to those companies, and you've not been able to find a way to break into that group. So in order to grow exponentially, you feel like you have to sell. Another is, you have a partner in the business who died or is ill, and you can't carry the whole load yourself going forward. Another issue is, you know that there are players in your industry who are able to leapfrog your existing products with new and innovative products, making those that you are selling almost obsolete. Another reason is you think that your business is at the highest price that it will be going forward in the future. And again, you need more capital to scale and need another partner to provide that to scale and get much bigger. Your company and an acquiring company each have a particular asset or process which make the two companies better together than apart. Another one is, you are the only asset of your company, or you are not interested in this business anymore. You no longer find it exciting. So once you have determined if you have a valid reason for selling your business or keeping the business, measure that answer against what your 25-year plan is. Where do you see yourself in 25 years? What do you want to accomplish in the next 25 years? What excites you that you could be doing over that time frame? If you can connect the business goals to your life goals, that's where the excitement begins and grows. In summary, you need to go through the exercise of determining the reasons for wanting to sell your business and measure those against your 25-year life plan. If you fail to do that, you can be like some of my clients who have sold their businesses, hoping to be able to play as much golf as they want, only to come back to me 6 months later and ask, "Can I buy my business back?" Don't be one of those who have the seller's regret. Think through the issues, and it will be well worth your while. Thanks. I'll look forward to seeing you in another video.